wine is Terrazze Dell'etna Cuvee Brut 2013. So background on this wine, about, I would say like 3-4 months ago, me and Brandon were tasting wines and we ran into actually a red wine by the same producer called Chardonnay. So Chardonnay is a red wine made on Mount Etna. It was aged, it was beautiful, and we knew we had to have it. So when this opportunity came to buy the sparkling wine, we jumped literally immediately. I think Brandon came to my office and was like, hey, like, what do you know about the sparkling? And next thing you knew, I was cutting a purchase order for it. So, what the specs are in this wine, first thing that you need to know is that this is made of 100% Chardonnay in the traditional Champagne method. So how they make sparkling wine in Champagne is how they're making it when they make this wine. Not like Prosecco, not like other sparkling wines. As classic as this Champagne style as you can get. What does that mean? Smaller bubbles, pure minerality, fermentation in the bottle. It spends 36 months on its leaves, which gives it that toasty, brioche kind of complexity that comes through the wine. So super high acid, super clean minerality through on the wine. But I also wanted to talk about where this comes from. So we've done Mount Etna wines in the past, and this wine specifically is 100% volcanic soil, but not only that, on lava flow volcanic soil. So it's actually pretty young soils, and it actually looks as if it was flowing through on the north side slope of the mountainside. So on the north side, you get a lot of cooler climates. It's about 950 meters above sea level, which keeps the alcohol level kind of low, but super, super crisp and super, super high acid. Drink this with definitely things like cured meats and aperitif style foods. It's a great celebration wine. I know we're selling it for like half of pretty much anywhere you could buy it for. So yeah, you get that kind of Champagne method, alternative Champagne wine for a fraction of what you would pay for actual Champagne.